Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best cable hooks is probably one of the most underrated gadgets for anyone who wants to tidy up their space. We've all been there, tangled messes of cables behind our desks, TVs, and entertainment centers. But what if I told you there's a simple, affordable solution to banish those cable chaos forever? Today, we're diving deep into the world of cable hooks, exploring their features, and helping you find the perfect ones for your needs. Number 5. Command Mini Light Clips, Damage-Free Hanging. Tired of damaging your walls when hanging lights? These Command Light Clips are the perfect solution. They allow you to hang your lights without leaving any holes or sticky residue. These clips are great for hanging all sorts of indoor lights, from fairy lights to Christmas lights. It's also perfect for managing cables and cords, keeping things neat and tidy. Before applying, make sure the surface is clean. Just use rubbing alcohol to remove any dust or grime. Then, apply the clips to a variety of smooth surfaces. These clips work on painted walls, finished wood, glass, metal, and tiles. They're ideal for dorms and apartments, making decorating easy and damage-free. Each pack includes clear clips and clear strips. Use one clip for every 2 feet of lights. It's a simple and effective way to decorate your space. Wait 7 days after painting before using these clips. Also, avoid hanging valuable items. These tips will help ensure the best results. What we like. This product is perfect if you're looking for a way to hang Christmas lights or other decorations without damaging your walls. It works on a variety of surfaces, making it a versatile choice for any room. If you want a simple, damage-free solution for your decorating needs, you should consider this. What people say. They are easy to install and stick well. These are perfect for organizing cords. The adhesive is strong and holds the hooks in place. Number 4. Syncwire Clear Cable Clips, Cord Holders. Are you struggling with tangled cords? These cable clips are the perfect solution. They will keep everything neat and organized. This set includes 5 packs of clear cable clips with a total of 15 slots. It is the perfect size to meet your daily household and office requirements. These cable keepers are great for your headphones, chargers, USB cables, and more. It is a perfect gift for anyone who wants a tidy space. The clips come with a strong 3M adhesive pad. You can stick them on any smooth and clean surface. Installation is easy, with no need for tools. These cable organizers are made of high-quality, flexible silicone. They are easy to bend and insert cables smoothly. For best results, ensure the surface is clean before use. What we like. With multiple slots, this product helps you keep your desk neat and organized. It's easy to install on any smooth surface, making it a convenient solution for managing cables. If you have a lot of cables and cords around your desk, this is the perfect solution to keep everything tidy. What people say. Love these cute little things. They've held my charges up by my bedside for a while now and are so functional. Help with cord organizing and so easy to stick on. They're small, simple, super easy to install once you close the spot for them and do exactly what I needed. Been using these for some time now. They stick well and take phone, laptop, and car camera cables. Number 3. Cable Management Kit, 50 pieces. Are you tired of messy cables? This kit offers a simple solution. It helps you organize and manage your cords effectively. Made of sturdy nylon, these zip ties are built to last. They can handle a good amount of weight, keeping your cables secure. The adhesive backing makes setup a breeze on smooth surfaces. You can attach it firmly and remove it without leaving any marks. These ties are designed for convenience. You can easily adjust them to add or remove cables as needed. They're also reusable. Use it at home, in the office, or even in your garage. This kit is perfect for organizing cables, cords, and wires in various environments. What we like. This product is made of sturdy nylon, ensuring a strong hold for your cables. It's easy to use and can be adjusted and reused as needed. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile way to organize cables in your home or office, you should consider this. What people say. They are easy to install. The adhesive is very strong. They are perfect for organizing cords. Number 2. ECOHomes 1x 30-foot double-sided hook and loop tape. Are you tired of tangled cables? This double-sided hook and loop tape is the perfect solution for organizing your home or office. It's easy to use and keeps everything neat and tidy. This tape features a strong grip on both sides, ensuring your cables stay securely in place. You can easily adjust the tightness as needed. It's reusable and won't damage your cables. Simply cut the tape to your desired length and wrap it around your cables. The self-gripping design makes it easy to use. It's a smart and efficient way to manage your cables. Available in various sizes and colors, this versatile tape is a must-have for any home or office. It's an inexpensive way to transform your space into an organized environment. It's a simple solution for a tidy space. This tape is perfect for more than just cable management. Use it in your garden, garage, or even while camping. It's a gentle and effective way to secure items without causing damage. Get yours today. What we like. This product features a double-sided design that securely grips cables. It's reusable and adjustable, allowing you to customize the tightness. If you like a flexible solution for cable management that can also be used for other tasks, you should consider this. What people say. Works great for double-sided hook and loop. I was surprised by how thin this stuff is at a 1-inch width, but it still sticks well. The hook part is like micro hooks. Great for cable wraps or to secure loose ends of webbing and other straps. This product works so well. It helps you organize your bulky cords manageably, neat and orderly. The Velcro is so easy to use in that the Velcro strength is strong enough to grip but lets go easily enough to remove. The length seems to go on for miles and miles, so you have enough to do several rooms if not all the rooms in your house. Been using a good number of pieces for holding cords together and other similar uses. The first pieces I use still grip and hold as well now after a few dozen openings and closures as they did when first used. Such a simple thing, but it just works. Number 1. Self-Adhesive Cable Clips Organizer, pack of 20, transparent. Are your cables a mess? This product is the perfect solution. It helps you organize and manage your cords with ease. These clips fit cables up to 0.27 inches in diameter. It ensures a snug and secure hold for various types of cables. Featuring a strong acrylic adhesive, it sticks firmly to any clean, smooth surface. You can trust it to stay in place. Installing is a breeze. Just peel off the backing and stick the clips wherever you need them. It's that simple. Ideal for various cables like power cords, Ethernet, and HDMI. It keeps your space tidy and organized. Say goodbye to tangled wires. This product keeps your cords neatly arranged, perfect for home, office, or car use. What we like. This product offers a snug and secure hold for your cables, thanks to its strong adhesive. It's easy to install, making it a quick solution for cable organization. If you want a simple and effective way to keep your cables tidy, you should consider this. What people say. They are easy to install and stick well. These are perfect for keeping cords organized and out of the way. The adhesive is strong and holds the hooks in place. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.